Hi, I'm Sharon Herland. Welcome to my art studio and gallery. In July of 2020, I got the space and started my own gallery and studio, which I would love to show you. So as you look around my gallery, you're going to see a lot of flowers. I'm very inspired by flowers and alcohol ink. People don't realize is that I don't use any brushes in my work. I drop the alcohol ink on Yupo paper or clay board, something that's non-porous, and then I move it around with rubbing alcohol. And not only do I create original artwork, but I've created some cards and prints as well. I figured out how to get my designs onto textiles. So I've created, for example, shower curtains in 15 different designs.